Case of a missing COVID patient from the Hyderabad Gandhi Hospital, and now it seems that the patient's body has been found in a mortuary and it's just been lying there for the past 20 days, with the hospital having no clue about the missing patient. It's a shocking story that's emerging from the Gandhi Hospital, and not the first such instance that has actually been reported from this very hospital, where large-scale chaos and confusion clearly still goes on. We're going to go across to Somit to give you more details. Somit, of course, we had reported on this patient who went missing on May 31st, at this point of time, it looks like after a police investigation, they have managed to trace the body in the mortuary, and it was lying there unidentified, not tagged, because there's been clearly a confusion as far as the records is concerned. In fact, what the sources on the ground indicate to us is that the confusion happened because the entry in the hospital records wasn't really popular. Somit has been tracking that story for us. Somit, you reported on this incident on the patient that had gone missing. What a horrible 20-day journey for the family, who had no clue and now will have to be told that the patient is no more.
Yes, we were reporting the story on last Monday that Narendra Singh, 39 years, went missing from the Gandhi Hospital after he got admitted on 31st May. That is last month, and we were also showing his family's version, who clearly said his brother Mukesh Singh has clearly said that he was first admitted to the King Koti Government Hospital, later to the Osmania Hospital, and then later to the Gandhi Hospital. That was on 31st, and from then they were trying to contact him, and the efforts went into vain, and there was no response from the hospital side. Then on 6th June, they have lodged a complaint in local Mangalghat police station. The SHO of Mangalghat police station, Ranveer Reddy, has said that they have registered the missing complaint on the same, the 6th of June, and they have started the probe. And the SI concerned SI was asked to move to the Gandhi Hospital and investigate the case. After 15 days, and since the case is registered, and after 20 days since the incident report, that is, he admitted into the hospital. Now, on 19 June, after police intervened into the matter and they investigated the matter, now it has, the hospital authority said that by mistakenly, they have marked this Narendra Singh, 39 years old, his body as unidentified and 65 years old. And that was kept in the its own mortuary, Gandhi Hospital's own mortuary. How shocking it is. And it was just kept like that. And this family, Narendra Singh's family, was searching for him since last 20 days. And now on 19 June, after police identified this body is not unidentified, and said that this would be Narendra Singh's, and the family came to the Gandhi Hospital on 19th after police called them, and they identified this body as this body belongs to them, and they have asked to handed over the body to them. And yesterday, after completion of the autopsy, the Mangalghat police have handed over the body to them, and yesterday final rites have taken place. And the police has also altered the missing case, which was filed on 6th June to 174 CRPC, that is suspicious death, and took up the investigation.
All right, Somit, thanks so much for bringing us this story. Really shocking, this kind of confusion and chaos that continues at this hospital. And Somit has been reporting on these, and there have been multiple such instances that have taken place where the hospital has seemed extremely clueless about the situation at their own place, and patients going missing in this scenario. We will, of course, keep a track on the developments, and if at some point there has to be some accountability as far as the hospital authorities are concerned.